All right, here you go.
All right.
You gonna turn it on? Yeah.
Don't worry, back here.
Yep. Those lights might be more trouble than they're.
No, actually.
They actually are helping you.
Actually, they are a good thing.
Okay.
Looks good.
Awesome. All right.
All right. Now, cool off.
You gonna bend that down just a little bit, maybe? Let me see. It's not gonna touch the panel, I don't think.
I'll bend it in when I'm done.
Oh, yeah. Plus, this thing is touching. We need to move that back a little bit so it doesn't buzz. Right? That should be fine. Take off that anti-vibration thing. Okay, we just gotta wait for it to cool. I'll put my